Next one is d by dx of u plus v. Two functions in between plus. Okay. U plus derivative of u plus v is equal to derivative of d by dx of u, derivative of that function, operation is plus derivative of v. Okay, derivative of two functions, two or more functions. Okay, next derivative of d by dx of u plus v plus l. For example, here u, v, l are not a functions, not a constants. Here x is not a constant, and functions, these are functions, only two are not a constants. In total derivative chapter, derivative, only two are not a constant functions. Two are not a constant functions, which are with respect to x functions, y, x, u, v, w or any function. Function and with respect to x, with respect to these two are not a functions. Remaining all are constant function. Constant function derivative 0. This is the final. So many functions, not only 2 or 3. So d by dx of u plus d by dx of v plus d by dx of l. Simply d by dx of u, simply u dash. Dash means what? Derivative one time. V dash plus l dash. Simply. Next, d by dx of u minus v. Two functions in between, difference of two functions, difference also same, u dash minus v dash. Next, d by dx of u into v, d by dx of u into v is plus means same as it is u, derivative of u plus derivative of v, minus means derivative of u minus derivative of v. So u into v means is not equal to derivative of u into derivative of v. It is not a correct. So u function same, don't do derivative. Okay, u and derivative of v. Derivative of v means d by dx of v plus v derivative completed. That's why only v and derivative of u, d by dx of u. This is the derivative of u into v formula, very popular and important formula. Derivative of u into v is equal to u into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u is simply u into v dash plus v into u dash. Derivative of x, d by dx of is a lengthy. This is simply u dash. Next, not only two, derivative of two functions, u, v, v, w. So first derivative of u and remaining are same, not a derivative. So first one derivative, remaining are same. Next, second one derivative, remaining are same. Only each term has only one function have derivative. Each term, this is 1 to 2 terms. Each function only one term have the derivative. Alternative. This first one is derivative, next second one derivative, next third one derivative. Okay, plus u v w dash. Next another formula, very important formula, u by v formula. U by v means first of all denominator v square starting with v, not u, starting with v, and derivative of u d by dx of u minus, not plus, minus, starting with u, alternative, u derivative and next v derivative, d by dx of v, d by dx of v, this one. Simply v into u dash minus u into v dash by v square, not u square, v square, u by v formula. This is applications. And to only single function, okay, so derivative of sin x and okay cos x. So derivative of sin x plus cos x means derivative of sin x plus cos x. One example. Derivative of sin x plus cos x. Derivative of sin x plus cos x is equal to derivative of sin x plus derivative of cos x. Derivative of sin x is equal to cos x. Derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x. This is the procedure. Look at this. Observe him. Next, I was already sent to WhatsApp group. This is the applications. Next, some more applications. D by dx of sin ax is equal to a into sin ax. Sin ax. D by dx of sin ax is equal to a into sin ax. D by dx of sin ax plus b is equal to a into sin of ax plus b. D by dx of sin ax plus b, ax minus b is equal to a into sin of ax minus b. Okay, a, b are constants. Procedure, explanation. first of all. D by dx of sine ax plus b. Okay. Which function? Sine function. First to decide this is the which function. Exponential function or algebraic function, trigonometric function or inverse trigonometric function. First we have to decide that given function is which function or which formula type. This is the sine. Sine means derivative of sin x. The totally taken x without sine. Sine function. This means the total value. The value is taken as x. This is the formula of sin x. What is the derivative of sin x? Derivative of sin x is cos x. X means what? Not only x means here the given x, not only x, not only simple x, the given derivative of sin x is cos x. Cos ax plus b. Derivative of sin x is cos x. When the problem is completed, the total derivative is 1. It means once again next the derivative of sin x is cos x and again derivative of x. X means what? Ax plus b. In derivative of sin x cos x, but next derivative of x. X means what? 1. That's why 1 into 1 by 1 is not important. So the ax plus b derivative is not equal to 1, not a1, some any value, any other value. That's why we have to calculate. So first of all, sine function, sine formula cos. This totally x value is, the total value is taken x. The derivative of sin x is cos x and derivative of x is ax plus b. Okay. When the problem is stopped, the x derivative is 1 up to 1. So the same as it is cos of ax plus b, cos of ax plus b, derivative of u plus v. Okay, derivative of this function, this one function and another function. Derivative of u plus v is derivative of ax plus derivative of b. Derivative of ax plus derivative of b. So that is equal to cos of ax plus b, derivative of a into x, derivative of k into e, second formula, derivative of constant into u, derivative of constant is equal to 0, derivative of constant into u is equal to constant into derivative of u. So constant is a, derivative of d by dx of x plus derivative of b is a constant, only constant function, 0. So that is equal to cos of ax plus b into a into derivative of x is 1. Derivative of x is 1. So finally a into 1 is a into cos of ax plus b. This one. Once again, derivative of, this is the sine function, derivative of sine function is equal to cos function, again derivative of ax plus b, the total, ax plus b derivative of u plus v. What formula? Since derivative of d by dx of u plus v is equal to u dash plus v dash. Derivative of u plus v. Next, derivative of k into u. Derivative of k into u is equal to k into u dash. Derivative of k into u is equal to k into u dash. Constant is same constant and that function derivative. Derivative of constant equal to 0. Next step, derivative of d by dx of constant is equal to 0. Derivative of constant equal to 0. This one. Next, explanation. One. So, derivative of sin x ax. Derivative of sine function is cos function. So, cos ax into derivative of without sine ax. So, that is equal to cos ax into derivative of k into u is equal to a in k into derivative of u. So, cos ax into a into 1. So, a cos ax. Which one derivative? d by dx of sin ax. One. It is same as it is cos, tan, cot, secant, cosecant, sin inverse, e power x, sin log x, sin x, or any function, procedure same. Any function, procedure same, but sin ax is equal to a into sin ax. Ax plus b is equal to b. Derivative of b constant 0. Derivative of ax a. That's why a is equal to a minus plus b value 100, 1000, 1 lakh, 1 by a. Any function 0. Derivative of constant 0. That's why not important. This one. Okay, next. Derivative of cos ax. Cos function derivative minus sine function. Minus sine ax minus a into sine ax. So, d by dx of cos ax plus or minus b equal to minus a into cos x derivative sin ax plus or minus b. Third one, tan d by dx of tan ax is equal to a into tan x derivative secant square x, not right, secant square x. Secant square ax is important. Okay, see tan x derivative secant square x, tan ax derivative not a secant square x. Tan Ax derivative is secant square Ax and again derivative of Ax. D by dx of tan of Ax plus or minus b is equal to A into secant square Ax plus or minus b. D by dx of cot Ax equal to minus cosecant square Ax. D by dx of cot bx plus or minus c is equal to, next d by dx of secant Ax is equal to A into secant Ax into tan Ax. D by dx of secant of bx plus c power 10 next d by dx of cosecant Ax is equal to d by dx of cosecant of cx plus 10 is equal to d by dx of e power Ax is equal to A into e power Ax. D by dx of e into Ax plus b is equal to d by dx of a power cx is equal to a power c into a power cx into log a. What is the formula of a power x? A power x derivative of a power x is a power x into log a, base log of a. A means what? Base. And again derivative of cx is c. Next, sine inverse of Ax is equal to sine of derivative 1 by root of 1 minus x square into a. Tenth one, d by dx of cos inverse Ax is equal to minus a by root of 1 minus Ax whole square. D by dx of tan inverse of Ax is equal to a by 1 plus Ax whole square. And next one, d by dx of tan inverse Ax, d by dx of cosecant inverse Ax, secant inverse Ax. You have to homework. Okay. Okay, tomorrow if all are perfect the formula, then I will continue the exercise. ಬೇಕಾ ಅಲ್ಲೈತದೆ ಹಾಂ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾ ಹಾಂ ಹಾಫ್ ಆನ್ ಅವರ್ ಹಾಂ ಓಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ I will give some homework. You have to try. Okay, I will give some homework. You have to try sincerely. Derivative of sin e power x, derivative of cos root x, derivative of tan x square, derivative of cot a power x, derivative of secant 1 by x, derivative of cosecant tan x, derivative of sin inverse minus 5x, derivative of e power x cube, derivative of log 1 by 2x, derivative of x power minus 1 by 2. These are the homework.